Okay, so let's continue. Washing clean hands could be a problem. So let's see. Many times a person will want to wash your hands for the bread when the hands are already clean. She may have just previously used the bathroom and washed your hands, or has washed your hands in some other purpose. Some poskim maintain that such a person may not wash Netilas Yadayim with a bracha because your hands are already clean and her washing does not accomplish anything. It is therefore recommended that if one will immediately wash for bread after leaving the bathroom, he should not use the cup when washing her hands, even if after it is generally her practice. Since the washing without cup is invalid for washing for bread, she may now wash for bread in the usual way and make bracha al Netilas Yadayim. Okay, so let's try to understand. So when we say washing for bread, I mean, I think in one sentence he's not exactly clear. So first of all, we said it's pure, it's to purify our hands, right? It's not because they're dirty or it could be clean. Even for example, many times we would come from shul and we have guests. I touch all of the doorknobs and I touch all the things in a street or open the door and stuff like that. So of course, we first wash with the soap, right? We first wash with the soap, and then we will wash Netilas Yadayim. So this washing of the soap is for hygiene. It's to make the hands physically clean. Right, but it has nothing to do with the spiritual cleanliness, two separate things, right? So the situation he's talking about, I would say, only if somebody comes from the bathroom. So if you came from the bathroom and usually people wash the hands with a cup when you come out of the bathroom, and your hands is clean, even though you washed in a different manner as you would wash for bread. So what do I mean? So when we come out of the bathroom, we do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? 3 times on right, 3 times on left, in alternative fashion. But when we do it for bread, so we do 2 times on right, 2 times on left, right? So it's a little different, but it does not make any difference. Why? Because Shulchan Aruch says even one time is enough. But we do 2 times just in case. That's what Mishnah Brura says. Do twice. Some do 3 times. It's not necessary. But if you want, you can do it. Not necessary. Okay. Shulchan Aruch said 2. Just try to stick to Shulchan Aruch. Okay. Right? But as we said, the one opinion Shulchan Aruch, he said even 1 time is enough. So meaning what? When we wash from our hands when we came out of the bathroom, they're clean. They're pure. Not clean. They're pure. So in this case, if hands are pure, so you're not allowed to say Al Netilas Yadayim, because Al Netilas Yadayim is say who sanctified us. I think it was purification of our hands or something like that, right? So and it's not true. Your hands are pure. So what exactly are you doing, right? So he said one of the recommendations, and I think it's pretty straightforward. Come out of the bathroom and do not wash with a cup. So if you don't wash it with a cup, and right, so even though you're allowed to say the blessing after the bathroom, there is no contradiction, there is no problem, right? But now you can wash with a cup now for bread and say the blessing Al Netilas Yadayim. And you, in a sense, you're going to purify your hands after the bathroom and before the bread. That's a very interesting solution. There are other solutions, but let's see. Some poskim suggest that in such a situation, one should purposely make her hands dirty so that she can recite bracha on her washing. This can be done touching bottom of one's shoes. No, not only bottom. So what we do, so what I actually recommend, Okay, so just you can touch shoes not on only even on top. It's impure. Shoes are always impure. If you touch your shoes and now you want to learn Torah, you must wash your hands. Or just scratch yourself. Men should scratch under the kippah. That's enough. I mean, that's the most kosher way. So, or touch yourself in a place which usually covered. So on the short is if you scratch your shoulder, so that's it. You must go wash your hands. Okay. So and even though whatever approach is working better for you, you can adapt. There is no problem. So I personally go by the second approach. So we would wash with a cup after the bathroom because my logic is since you're doing it every day, every time, every day you wash it with a cup. So the chances that you now remember that you're going you're going to wash for bread now, don't wash with a cup. And plus sometimes this cup is outside the bathroom somewhere, right? So now everybody saw that you came out of the bathroom and you did not wash hands, so it does not look good. You understand? So in this case, better to follow the second approach, which is what? Touch your shoes. He's at the bottom of the shoes. Is from Piski to Shua. Okay, so okay. Okay, if you want to be on the stricter side, you can touch the bottom of the shoes, but even the way I understand, even top of the shoes, they're still impure. Okay, or scratch yourself in a place which are usually covered. Okay, so continue. So and if you reach yourself under the kippah, so you have to touch the scalp, not the hair. Hair is not good enough. I mean, for this purpose, to make yourself impure, to make your hands impure. Okay. Any questions on what we said? Yeah, go ahead, please. Say it again. Sorry.
One hand or both hands?
One is enough. So if only one finger, so it makes the whole both of the hands impure. As we said, it has nothing to do with the physically being not clean. It has everything to do with the spiritual. So even one hand, as we said before, even a person does not touch the bread at all, right? Still must wash their hands, right? So okay, so just the quick reminder. So everything that we said so far is actually applies for women and men, but there is no difference whatsoever. I mean, of course, women are not obligated to do many other things. So we go in Halachos For Women, but so far everything is exactly the same for men.